Good morning, ma'am. My name is Eiphel Mula, Cruz, Bscrim 3 from Block 1. Today, I made this video to discuss about the properties of fire, lesson 3. The properties of fire, the fire is the result of a chemical reaction called combustion. At a certain point in the combustion reaction, it is called the ignition point, and the flames are produced. Flames consist preliminary of carbon dioxide, water, vapor, oxygen, and nitrogen. In a candle flame or small, most of the matter in a flame consists of hot gases. A very hot fire releases enough very energy to ionize the gaseous atoms. And why fire is hot? Why fire is hot? The fire emits heat and light because the chemical reaction that produces flames is exothermic. And in other words, combustion releases more energy than is needed to ignite or sustain it. And we have physical properties of matter related to fire. Number one is specific gravity. The specific gravity, it is the weight of a substance compared with the equal volume of the water. And the boiling point, we have the boiling point of the properties of matter and related to fire. The boiling point to the constant temperature at which the vapor pressure the liquid is equal. The pressure of the liquid is equal or above to the atmospheric pressure. And the flash point. The flash point is the lowest temperature at which a substance vaporizes into a gas which can be ignited with the introduction of an external source of fire. And the ignition temperature. The ignition temperature, unlike with flash points, the ignition temperature does not need an ignition source. In other words, the ignition temperature is the lowest temperature which volatile material will be vaporized into a gas which ignites without the help of any external flame or ignition source. And we have the fire point. And the fire point is the temperature at which the material will give the vapors in sufficient quantity to sustain combustion burning. And we have the chemical properties of fire, and we have endothermic reaction. Then the endothermic reaction, they are changed whereby energy or heat is observed or is added before the reaction takes place. And the exothermic reaction are those that release or give off energy or heat. Thus they produce substance with less energy than the reaction. We have the oxidation. Oxidation, it is a chemical that is exothermic. It is actually deterioration or aging of material. And the flames, it refers to incandescent gases. In order to be sustained, it should maintain a high temperature and concentration of short-lived intermediate chemical reactions. And the flames, we have four flames to indicate the flames. Number 1 is a luminous flame. The luminous flame is orange red. Will deposit soot at the bottom of a vessel being heated due to incomplete combustion of a fuel and has a lower temperature. And the non-luminous flame is blue. Will not deposit soot due to almost complete combustion of the fuel and has relatively high temperature. And the premix flame is exemplified by the Bunsen type laboratory burner, where the hydrocarbon is thoroughly mixed with air before reaching the flame zone. And the diffusion flame. The diffusion flame is observed when gas alone is forced through the nozzle. And the laminar flame. The laminar flame are flames that follow a smooth path through a gaseous flame. And turbulent flame are those having unsteady or irregular swirls and eddy as physical size, gas density, or velocity is increase all laminar gas flows and to become turbulent.